Hey guys, Rob here with Wonder Off-Road.
And Alexandra, I'm just Wander Off-Road.
Well guys, I gotta tell you, we're in the wonderful San Bernardino Mountains right now, and I gotta say, this is always a fun treat to come up here, because we're trying to beat the heat on this adventure.
That's right. Back home it's melting about 100 degrees. Here it's 86 degrees.
Yeah, big difference. So join us as we try to stay cool up here and beat the heat. Now this trail we took today is called Horseshoe Meadow, and I gotta say, this is worth the journey. It's not that long of a trail. It's green, and you can find this one on Onyx. It's located just off Highway 38, and you know it can take you from the back of the 38 all the way up to Big Bear. So really a great trail. Not too well traveled, but you know we didn't see too many people up here when we came out. But this was still worth it, you guys. This is so much fun to be out here in this wonderful area, and you're just like, wow. Definitely worth the adventure. Plus, like I said, it's not too hard at all. That was the thing that we all loved, especially coming out as a single vehicle off-roading. Now, I gotta say, I've been inspired by other YouTubers that have done this, so they get the blower and they just clear off all the dust. But I get why now. You know, like for me, I've always had the problem of dust getting inside the vehicle the moment we're done with the trail and we're trying to get gear out of the back and whatnot. Just everything gets dusted. So big props to blowing it out, and that way at least it helps keep it clean back here. What is it? We're trying to take out exactly what I need.
20 minutes later.
Push him back. Up. How you doing, Ella? You get a good nap in there? Oh yeah. All right. Are you hungry, Ella? Yeah, me too. Let's make some lunch, right? All right, for lunch today, we're gonna make some chili beans with having some Tostitos. So yeah, this is gonna be. All right. Hungry. Hi, hungry. I'm Dad. And this is us right now. I'm trying to get lunch going. I know it took us a while to get out here, but it's going to be a nice cowboy lunch. You like cowboy lunch, Ella? Yeah. So everyone, David found a stick on the ground, and now he won't let it go for the life of him.
Nope.
So if you guys like David's stick, and I hope you guys do, he's the cute little one, give him a like for this. He's only 1 year old, guys. Remember that. Only one. You don't want to hurt kids' feelings. What are you guys doing over there?
Digging.
Digging. David, are you supervising the digging process? Uh-huh. All right, everyone. Breakfast. Lunch is almost ready, everybody.
Thank you.
A little bit of cheese. All right, Ella, time for your cowboy lunch. Are you okay? Yeah. Guys, look how inflated this bag is up here. Okay, this is your cup of beans with cheese. Yay. And here are chippies. Yay. All right, guys, so we finally got camp set up. I gotta say, lunch was filling. It was hard to set up the camp afterwards, but I am so glad I'm finally done setting up. So let me walk you around. Let me show you how we set up our camp today. So today's adventure, we brought our 5th gen Toyota 4Runner, and I brought my Lego bricks. Thank God I did. This spot's not that level, but it works-ish. I just didn't want to park under there. I had a couple widow makers, so I was like, yeah, I choose life. So it's all right. We put the 4Runner here with the rooftop tent, and then coming in, we got our tailgater tire table holding up our Blackstone. This guy makes it so much easier to cook on here, having a nice setup like this. And then of course, our little pop-up trash can, since we don't have a trash-a-roo on this vehicle. And then our paper towel holder from Sea Sucker. God, that thing makes life so much easier. But then we come to the back of the vehicle, we have our fridge. We did not bring the Travoca today. We were a little tight on space, so I had to opt for the smaller one. But rest assured, it will be coming back. Plus, I'm trying to work on getting a new slide for that one since this guy, you know, I just got this new drawer system, so I want to put the right slide in for this vehicle. Probably get a pull and tilt slide. I'm looking at you guys over there at Tembo Tusk. I would come over here a little over this way. We got our Pittman Outdoors rooftop tent. This isn't the 1.2 series if I'm correct, but it's all set up for us up there. And then we got Mrs. Wonder Offroad with Ella and David Offroad. Hey guys, say hi.
Hi.
And they're of course sitting in the Pittman Outdoors chairs, guys, and these are heated. Not gonna need them tonight on this adventure. It's actually quite comfortable. It's gonna be, I think it's a low 60s, so a little chilly, but not like impossibly cold. And then of course we have, since we all won't fit in that tent, we have the Pittman Outdoors instant pop-up tent, and this guy is really handy. So as we put our Hess sleeping pad in here, it's actually very comfortable. Plus it's very quick to set up and take down, so big pro at this setup. And then finally we come back over here to our facilities. I bet you guys probably couldn't even see this one. And that's the point of it. This is our Insta Privy. So handy, guys, look at this. You sit, you know, do your business and ta-da, look at it. Seat, bags, whatever you need, it's all ready to go. So that's how we do it over here at Wonder Off-Road, I gotta say. But Insta Privy, I kind of like it. You know, it's like a little miniature hunting blind. But we have this whole awesome space to ourselves over here. And it's just wonderful when you're out here exploring with the family. So yeah, that is how we set up our camp today. But yeah, guys, that's how we set up our camp over here at Wonder Off-Road. And it works for us, you know, like I said, it's not perfect, but it works. You ready to be a mountain climber?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go. We're gonna climb this little hill over here and become mountain climbers, Ella. Go ahead. Let go of my hand. Go ahead. Right behind you, honey.
I got this.
Looks at one point in time there used to be a trail right here. At least people made their own trail. You got it, Ella?
Yeah.
Ella, look it. We climbed it. Yay! There's a camp. We're mountain climbers, Ella.
Hey.
How you hanging in there, Allie?
All right. I feel like I gained some extra weight.
It's just baby weight, Allie.
Let's go.
All right, well, we're gonna head back down now, right, Mrs.?
I like the rain.
Thank you, Ella. But this was a fun little exploration, right, honey? Hey guys, I want to tell you guys this. I thank you guys for all watching this far and helping me stay off OnlyFans, guys. I know I'm too fat and ugly for that one. So thanks for supporting us here at Wonder Off-Road on YouTube.
Hey, so I left my husband and child just to rest at the campsite, and me and baby Wander Off-Road are going to go for a little walk now. The trail does kind of keep going, so we're going to walk down that. We already drove down it and know that it ends soon, so it's not too long. It's just enough while there's still some sunlight out, and the sun is disappearing behind the tree line, so we don't want to take too long. I remembered I did go to a camp that identified a bunch of trees to me, how many rings, how old it is, things like that. Unfortunately, I have lost a bit of that knowledge. But if I refresh myself, I'm sure I'd be able to pass that along to the kids again. In the meantime, even if I don't know the trees, I can still get to know them. It's just nice to come out here where it's nice and calm. The only noises I hear are the birds and the baby.
All right. Raviolis look about done. Dinner's almost ready.
Sound effect?
Yep. He jumped out. All right. All right, dinner's ready. All right, Robert. Say goodbye to your eyebrows. Okay. I still have my eyebrows. Still got my eyebrows, right?
Yes.
Okay, whew, that was a close one. David, is it yummy? Okay, hi everybody. You want more, please? Okay, Ella. Oh wow, it's only 1 second. That was quick. Mom, what do you think?
It's good. Thank you.
All right, Camp Raviolis. You know what this it calls for, Allie?
What?
Dance mode. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video this far. If you like this content, please consider giving us a subscribe over here at Wonder Off-Road. Consider giving us a like as well, guys. And leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the spot. And we'll catch you in the next one.